Hey y'all, anyway, so I'm on my way to the grocery store real quick. I feel so bad and hungry. Like, it's like after 1 going up at 2 o'clock. I feel so weak. I know myself, if I go make that food, I would not want to come back out to go to the store. I really feel so weak. I don't even feel like weak or what, but whatever. Okay, fresh market. I want to try. So I'm back. I got some beef liver, pink salt, some of these electrolyte mix. I want to try it out. So I got two. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from my little walk in the yard, okay? Listen to me. You have to make the best of your situation, okay? It's the same day, by the way. I wanted to go walk in the day, but Brianna's father was sleeping. And I was like, you know what? I ain't got no time to wait on him, so I'm just going to walk up and down. It's a short path. But I was like, you know what? Let me just walk up and down for 30-40 minutes. And we can make it work. If I have to do a little bit of running or whatever like that, use little steps around me. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I just came off a fast actually, like 2 days ago, and sometimes I just wait for my body just to catch itself. So I'm just warming up a little bit before I start really working out. And that'd be a little activity for Brianna because she likes to be outside now, so whatever. Ooh. I did not expect all them cats to freaking attack me like that. Jeez, please. They have no one trained at all. So, like, I don't know, like in the nighttime, I'll probably like exercise, like run around, and I'm gonna do my workout through the day. Yeah, they breathe. Y'all, it's early in the morning. Me and Priest. You get it. Let's go. Up. Yay! Y'all, it's early in the morning. Me and Brianna out here getting our steps in. Running. Yeah, so I had to come inside quick. I planned to be out there for at least 30 minutes. I had to come inside quick because my skin started to itch like crazy. Every time I introduce walking or running, my skin starts to itch like crazy. It lasts for like 1 to 2 days and it stops and my body starts to get used. But I Google it before and that's like when. So it basically means increased blood flow. You don't exercise regularly. That's what happened, like that. But your brain perceive it as like itchiness, if that makes sense. I don't know, but yeah. So when I do my at-home workouts, this never happens. Start adding walking to my workouts. Yeah, my skin starts. I mean, like a crazy itch. I'm not over exaggerating. Like I want to take out my skin type of itch. I can't take it. Like I have to stop after that. Eventually my body will start to get used to walking and it will go away unless I stop walking for a few weeks or something like that and then come back. But yeah, so that's what happened this morning. So I had to come inside. I know it's wet and when it's wet I be scornful of shit. Like I be itching extra hard. I don't know. So it's like 8 o'clock now. Onwards, make me some coffee.
I think. So, let him see. He's rewatching, but Italian too. No. Let's just stick, but we have to wait.
I don't like that.
I can get everything. Which one you like? Okay? Okay. Huh, let's go get him.
Who's that? Open? Who's that? Are you coming in? No? What? Move your hand. Don't come back now. So, hey y'all. Anyway, so Brianna's down for a little nap. I tried to went back to sleep, but that didn't work out. So I'm up. I want to take out this liver because I want to eat piece of this today. Yeah, I'm gonna let this thaw down a little. Do you guys eat liver? I haven't had liver in years. So yeah, I'm gonna start putting that in my diet. Yeah. Y'all, I'm about to cook my liver up. This is my first time cooking liver. I never cooked liver before. My mommy used to give this to us when we was children, and I didn't like it. This is beef liver. I know they have all kinds of different livers, but I don't know. So I had to go on YouTube and watch a video because my mommy used to work. I was supposed to call her to ask her how to cook it. Okay, y'all, she's done. Hopefully, I didn't even cook it. I didn't even cook it that long. So I'm gonna taste it. I haven't ate it in a long time, so let me taste it. What is this? Just like I remembered. Yes, sir. Hey y'all. Anyways, I know it's dark and I know you guys can't see me, but I'm editing the vlog and I realized I didn't end the vlog, so I just came back to end the vlog. I will see you guys in my next one. Hope you guys have a great one. Bye.